Welcome back. Gen Next has come out strongly against Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar. The NGO would submit evidence and documents pertaining to Cerula Komunidad land scam to the Ministry of Public Grievance. Durgadas Kamath also alleged that CM has permitted liquor license to Parulekar's brother for sale of liquor near a religious place, which is against the norms.
माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्यान सगळे कायदे मोडून बाब परुळेकराचो जो भाव आसा हाका लिकर स्टॉल घालपाक थंय परमिशन दिल्लें आसा. सेरुला एरियेनूच थंय सिद्धा रोड मठा कडेन. आतां सेक्शन 94A ऑफ द गोवा दमन एंड दिऊ एक्साइज एक्ट कितें म्हणटा? No license shall be granted to an applicant if the premises in which he proposes to open liquor shop are within a radius of 100 meters from an educational institution or a place of worship. मंत्री स्वतः इल्लीगॅलिटीज करपा लागल्यात, करप्शन करपा लागल्यात आणि आता मुख्यमंत्र्याचो तांकां साथ. हातून स्पष्टपणे एक जाता की मुख्यमंत्री करप्शन आणि इल्लीगॅलिटीचे बाबतींत दोळ्यार पट्टी बांदून बशिल्लो आसा. सो सेरुलाची जी भानगड आसा ती आमी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पब्लीक ग्रिव्हन्साक आज बरयल्ली आसा आनी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पब्लीक ग्रिव्हन्स इज विथ द ऑनरेबल प्रायम मिनिस्टर हिमसेल्फ.
Goa government is committed to provide 150 MBBS seats to students in Goa Medical College. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said parents need not worry. Government will give admissions to 150 students in the GMC.
Foundation stone for 20-bedded hospital at hostel was laid at Mandur. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said MBBS degree seats have been increased from 100 to 150.
जो 50 जागांक मान्यता दिल्ली आसा ती मान्यता रिन्यू करची पडटा आणि जोपर्यंत ती रिन्यू जावन येना तोपर्यंत ऑफिशियली त्या गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीचे ऍडमिशनाची स्ट्रेंथ ही 100च उरता. हे 4थे वर्ष आम्ही भरता असताना 100 म्हणून नोटिफाय करता आणि MCIच्या इन्स्पेक्शनाचो रिपोर्ट येऊन परत 50 जागांक मान्यता मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत मागीर 50 जागो मेळटात.
प्रत्येक भुरगे जे मेडिकलाक वयता ते एक 2-3 वर्सां पयलीं तयारी करता आपली आनी जेन्ना ते लागीं पावता तेन्ना अचानक सांगप तुका सीट गावचो ना म्हणून हें बरोबर न्हू. दीस लीड्स टू फ्रस्ट्रेशन. इट मायट लीड टू सुसायड ऑल्सो. म्हणजे सेन्सिटीव इश्यू भुरग्याचो तो. ते भुरग्याच्या भावने कडेन हे खेळना.
While Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar said that in terms of infrastructural development, Centre is ready to help Goa government.
जो 32,000 कोटीचे हे प्रकल्प गोवा शेफर्डाक दिला तातूंच्यानूय अनेक पॉझिटिव्ह गजाली गोंयांत जावपाच्या. स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट आसत, इकॉनॉमिक ग्रोथ आसत.
CM further said, though GSIDC has less staff, yet they are doing commendable job.
GSIDCचो मुद्दे उल्लेख हांव इतल्या खातीर करता. PWDच्या तुलनेत GSIDC कडेन खूब कमी स्टाफ आसा. पूण इतलें आसून ते ज्या पद्दतीन अहोरात्र वावरतात, हांव 2-3 फावटी तांच्या बरोबर बसपाची संद आयली. बरें काम जाता आनी गतीनूय जाता, क्वॉलिटी काम जाता. तो दर्जो ताणें दवरूंक जाय ते दवरतले अशी अपेक्षा करता.
Reporter Mahesh Kari with Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent.
AAP is firm on its claim that PWD Minister Sudin Dawalekar has given misinformation in his election affidavit. They further informed that Sudin has mentioned that he has passed his SSC in the year 1975 and cleared BSc in 1978. AAP demanded inquiry in this matter as no one completes graduation after SSC within 3 years, whereas MGP said claims of the AAP are only publicity stunts.
पहिला क्वेश्चन जो आम्ही रेज केला तो अजून आन्सर जावंक ना. एक क्वेश्चन म्हळ्यार इन युअर एफिडेविट यू सेड 1980 इन युअर document that you have released as your degree, claiming it is your degree, you have said 1978. So where did those 2 years go? And most importantly, you have claimed in your affidavit that you have passed SSC examination in 1975. So in 3 years, how did you obtain a BSc degree? So these two questions Mr. Davlikar must answer, and if he doesn't answer, then on Monday we will expose some more information and documents to show that he is lying.
पण अशेंच तेंच्यांनी बेश्टेच पेपराचेर येवपा खातीर सवंग लोकप्रियते खातीर एडवर्टायजमेंट जावपा खातीर नांव जावपा खातीर अशेंच खंयच्या नेत्याचे अशे आरोप करचे न्हू, बिनबुडाचे आरोप करचे न्हू. आनी तशें जाल्यार ते आमकां संबंद आमी समजतले की तो पक्षाचेरूच तो आरोप करता, आमच्या कार्यकर्त्यांचेर आरोप करता अशें. त्या विशीं आमी तांकां समजूंक सोदता की अशा पद्दतीन तेणे आरोप बिनबुडाचे करचे न्हू.
MGP had revealed on Friday the BSc certificate of Sudeen, revealing he passed subsidiary exam. Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Coastal Police seems to be unprepared during emergencies. Boats with the Coastal Police are given for repair and maintenance. This truth came to fore when 2 days back a fisherman drowned in River Sal and Betul Coastal Police were unable to search for the dead body. Few local fishermen got engaged into the service with their canoes. DIG Ranganathan said it is non-fishing period, hence boats are sent for maintenance.
Few days ago, a fisherman got drowned in River Sal. During the emergency period, Coastal Police were called for assistance. But Coastal Police were not ready with their boats to fish out the dead body. When questioned, they said boats are gone for repair and maintenance.
जेन्ना आमचो भाव थिंगसर बुडलो, आमकां खबर मेळ्ळी तो बुडलो म्हणून आमी आमचे MLA फोन मारलो. MLAन रोखडेंच सगळे एका सांगलें, ताणें सांगलें म्हाका सगळ्याक आपण पोस्टल एका सांगलां, मागीर आमगेलो फायर ब्रिगेडी सांगलां, मागीर पुलिसे इन्फॉर्म केलां. सो आमी रावले, हे पुलीस ते येवन हे सगळे उपाय घेतलो म्हणटा काडपाक. पूण आमी कितलो वेळ पळयलें तर आमकां कळ्ळें की हे कांयच कोनाय म्हणून. तर आमी पर्सनली गेले हाडपाक. सर्विलन्स बोट आसा ताका इन्फॉर्म केलें, ते म्हणटा खंय ती बोट चलना, तें कितें जायना, एका हातीक डॅमेज आसा. आनी अनको हें गव्हर्मेंट कसलो उपाय घेता तो हें करपाक.
DIG of Coastal Police V. Ranganathan told to Prudent that one small boat was kept at Betul that fateful day. But the boat was not in working condition and was advised not to use by Goa Shipyard. There are total 6 big and 3 small boats with Coastal Police. DIG said, as it is no fishing time, we usually send our boats for maintenance at Goa Shipyard during this period. All 6 boats have been sent for maintenance and repair, and police are dependent on small boats in emergency situation. Mukesh Kumar with Savio Dice for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.